Okay, so today is week 8, Sunday, and we're going to go over the math challenge for, is this for March, Quentin? Okay, for March. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. Read number 1, please. So that's Kelly on 11, Indy at 20. She claps every time she says the even number. How many times does she clap? So let's see, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Which one are all the even ones? How many are there? 5 claps. Number 2, go. Yes, she claps every time she says the even number. So 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. You missed the first one. That's not good. That's bad. Number 2, read. Micah.
Built 4 towers. He made these towers with 5 cubes. How many white cubes? How many white cubes does he use to build 4 towers?
With 1 tower, there are 5 cubes. How many of the 5 cubes are white? How many white cubes? Aren't there 3? Right?
So,
Yes, 3. 3 white cubes.
each one, yes.
Yes, times 4, because there are 4 towers, right? So 12 white cubes. Number 3, go ahead. Look at the year.
I don't know. 2000.
It would be 34. Okay, number 4.
Oh.
Hyra. Okay, so let's see. You see this how this starts right here? Okay, the first one is a circle, then triangle, then pentagon. So circle, triangle, pentagon, right? Then it goes to circle, triangle, pentagon, right? What's the next one? What's after pentagon?
Circle.
You just have to look at the loop and then use the little arrows. Do you see that? Okay.
I can see that the little things are copy and paste on there. Very low.
Okay, number 5. Number 5.
How many more right squares other than white squares?
So how many more gray squares? So let's try the gray squares first. How many gray squares do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2. I have 32. Yeah, you gotta count all of them. Now the white squares. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Subtract them. What's your answer? It is 16. Okay. Number 6. Quit, knock it off. Isaac. On the third day, the amount of fish he caught was twice as many as the first day. So let's say X is the first day. Second day will be X plus 2, right? Because it's 2 more, right? We're assuming X equals a number of fish he had on day 1. Day 2 is X plus 2. Day 3 is 2X, okay? In total, how many fish did Isaac catch during the 3 days? Okay, so looking at this, if he caught 1 on the first day, then he will catch 3 on the second day. I'm assuming, let's assume X equals 1. Then the third day, 2 times 1 is gonna be 2, and that wouldn't make any sense because it has to be 5, right? Because 3 plus 2 is 5. So 1 is a bad number to use. Let's say, for example, he caught 2 fish on the first day. The third day, it will be 2 plus 2, which is 4. Second day will be 4. Third day will be 2 times 2, which is 4, but that wouldn't be right because it should be 6. So then that tells me this doesn't match. So it's not 2 fish. Let's say he caught 3 fish on the first day. Second day will be 3 plus 2, which is. Third day is twice as much as the first day, which is 6, but 5 plus 2 is 7. Does that equal? No. So 3 is not a good number. So pick another number. Let's try 4. If it's 4 on the first day, 4 plus 2 is 6 on the second day, right? Twice as many on the third day. 4 times 2 is 8. Is 6 plus 2 also equal to 8? 6 plus 2, is it also equal to 8? And is 4 times 2 8? Yeah, they're equal. So he caught 4 fish on the first day, 6 on the second day, 8 on the third day. So let's add them together. What does that give you? How many fishes are there total? 18 fishes. But do you see how I said hypothetically 1, we're going to start off with 1, and you just have to keep changing the number until you get it correct. Okay, please don't do that. That's annoying. All right, so let's now go to number 7. Okay, read question number 7, please. Read number 7. There were some pieces of candy in a jar. Santos took half the piece of candy. Then Tiara took half the piece left in the jar. And after that, Chelsea took half of the remaining pieces in the end. There were 3 pieces in the jar at the end. How many pieces of candy were in the jar at the beginning? Okay, so first, Santos took half, right? So let's say, for example, X equals a number in the jar, right? So here's the jar, X. Santo took 1/2 of x, right? If he took 1/2 of x, that means you have 1/2 of x left in the jar, right? This is what's left, correct? So then Tiara took half of 1/2 of x, which is 1/4 of x, right? And then Chelsea took half of 1/4 of x, which is 1/8 of x. At the end, there are 3 more pieces left in the jar. How many pieces were there? So let's work backwards, okay? If there are 3 left in there, okay, half of the 3 before would mean that Chelsea took 3 as well, right? Because half of 6 is 3, right? So then when Chelsea took it, it was 6 in the jar. But then Tiara also took half. So before Tiara, there were 12, right? And then Santos took 12. So there were a total of 24. Do you see I'm building it backwards? So let's try this. So we're saying that there are 24 pieces of candy in the jar, right? So x equals 24 pieces, right? So if Santo took 12, that means there are 12 left in the jar, right? Then Tiara took 6, which means there are 6 left in the jar. Then Sierra took 3, which means there were 3 left in the jar. That worked, right? So how many candies were in the jar at the beginning? 24 pieces. And you just have to work kind of backwards with it. Do you see that? Okay. Number 8. 24 pieces. Because remember, Santo took half, so there's 12 in the jar, right? Because Santo took 12. Tiara took half. Half of 12 is 6, right? There are 3. Or Tiara took 6, yeah. And then half of 6 is 3. So Sierra took, or Chelsea took 3, and there were 3 left in the jar. Number 8. Number 8. Uh-huh.
Wants to complete the grid with a special pattern. Each row and each column has to contain the digits 1, 2, and 3.
Exactly once. So each row and column, okay? What is the sum of the digits she will write in the shaded cell? Okay, so let's try this. There's 1, 2. Well, this has to be a 3, right? You can't have another repeat. So if this is a 3, that's a 1. That has to be a 2, 3, 1. Try it. Give it a try, Quentin. Does that work?
Yeah.
So what's 2 plus 2?
One and then plus 1 and then plus 2.
All right, number 9. Go ahead. Go.
But that is not the correct number.
Number 9.
Number 9. Okay. Sam could put 4 circles in a square using 6 crayons. 4 crayons. At least how many crayons will she need in order to make a square containing 16?
At least how many crayons will she need in order to make a square containing 16 circles that do not overlap? Well, it'll be 4 times 4, wouldn't it? Or to contain 16. Wait, hold on a second. 16 circles. So 4 circles with 4 crayons. 16 circles. Wouldn't that be 16? Oh, hold on a second. She can put 4 circles in a square. Okay, how many crayons she needs to make a square? Well, at least how many crayons she need to order make a square containing 16 circles? 4. Right? I think 4. I'll just put 4. Let's just do 4. 4 squares. Right? Because one square contains 4 crayons, right? Second square will have 4 crayons. Third square, 4 crayon. Fourth, so 4 times 4 is 16. I know, but a crayon represents a circle. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 16. 16 circles, 4 squares. Why not a crayon in a circle? This is the end of a crayon. Do you see that? At least how many, or 4, at least how many crayons will she need in order to make a square? Oh, 16 crayons. But she'll need 4 squares. I think. I don't know. That's fine. Number 10. A special die has a number on each face. The sum of the number on the opposite face are all equal. The sum of the Okay, the sum of the numbers on the opposite face are all equal. The sum of the If 5 of the numbers are 5, 6, 9, 11, 14, what is the 6th number? It's a special die, has a number on each face. The sum of the number on the opposite face are all equal. I don't get it. So what is it? Why would it be 16?
9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus.
Okay, fine. 5 plus 1 is 6.
5 1 every time. 5
Multiplies by 1, adds by 6. But this one's added by 3. 6 or 2. That's 2. This is going to be by 3. It's going to be by 3 again. So shouldn't that be 17? I don't know. I don't. But it's 1. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. No, it's going by 1, 2, 2. Then 3. Shouldn't it be then 3, 3?
1 2 2 3 4.
I know, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th number is the next number. So the next number should be 14 plus 3, which is 17. I'm just supposed 17. I don't know. It's fine. Number 11, read. No, let's finish number 11, then you can go to the bathroom. Number 11, go.
Yeah, what's exactly 8 boys give their right hand to the girl? What is the smallest number of boys that give their left hand to a girl?
Oh my gosh, I don't like this question. 20 boys and 12 girls in a circle. Hand in hand, all facing inward. Exactly 8 boys give their right hand to the girl. Okay, boy, girl. What is the smallest number of boy that gave their left hand to a girl? I don't freaking know. This is a silly question. Boy, girl. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna try to finish as many as we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 boys giving their right hand to the girl. What is the smallest number of boys that gave their left hand to a girl? I don't know. We'll just put 12. Just put 12. How many questions are there for this one? 18. Okay, well, go to the restroom. I'll continue after that. Number 12, Quentin, read. Read.
Ron arranges a housing rotate to make one long rectangular table. What is someone?
Okay, if there's a large square table with 12 people, that square table to serve 4, 4, 4, and 4, right? Twelve people, no more against them, evenly around a square table. So then never mind. He'll be 3, 3, and 3. Just kidding. And get rid of that. Okay. So 3, 3, and 3, and 3, right? Because 3 times 4 equals 12 people, right? So he rearranged 8 of these square tables to make one long rectangular table. So he's going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8, right? What is the maximum number of people that can sit evenly around the long table? Well, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? What is them? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 people. Okay. Does that make sense? Number 13, go. 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 Vox Furniture.
Vox Furniture store sells chairs, off-seat sofas made from identical furniture pieces as shown in the picture. In the armrest, the width of
The width, including the armrest, 76 inches, and the width of the love seat, 62.
Oh, well. Well, that's half of the love seat. So.
Okay, so look, if I take 76 minus 62.
Oh, no, this thing is 2 of the chair. The chair would be the love seat just times 2. There are 2 chairs. So it's going to be 20. It's going to be.
You think that's 26?
No, 28. 28.
28, okay. 20.
I was looking at.
Okay, but okay, 76 minus 62, right? If I subtract them, that means it's just gonna give me that little piece right there. Do you see that little piece right there? So if I subtract it, oh wait, hold on a second, I don't need to do that. 24. That'll give me 24, which is just that little piece right there. But then how long are these little pieces right here? How long are those pieces right there? Because I know that one of these is 26 or 24. I know this piece right here is 24. So let's try it. I know this is 24, this is 24, this is 24. 24 times 3. I know it's 24 because what just happened here? Did this whole thing just move? Ugh, this is ridiculous. Okay, when you do 76 minus 62, that's just gonna give you this little piece right here. Do you see that little piece right there? Just a little square. So we need to figure out what is one of these little arms equal to, the little blue arms, right? Because there's 2 of the arms. We need to figure out what those 2 arms are gonna be. So what's 24 times 3? 72, right? So 76 minus 72 is going to give you 4. There are 2 arms. What's 4 divided by 2? 2. Each of these arms are 2. So if this little piece right here is 24, 24 plus 2 is going to give you 28. 28 is the width of the chair. No, you said 26. Yeah, you did. Don't lie. Don't lie. It's not cool to lie, Quentin. All right, number 14, go. Read number 14, please.
says you can do it. Okay. And you set 4 hearts in all turning patterns red, white, red, white. The diagram shows the results of 4 over black. The area of the horn are 1 centimeter with the 2.
The diagram shows the result of 4 of my hearts. The area of the heart are 1 centimeter, 4 centimeters. What is the total shaded area in red as shown in the diagram? The what? The area of the. Okay, so the area of the heart. So the red is 1, 4, 9, 16, right? What is the total shaded area in red in the diagram? I don't know. Maybe it's going, okay, actually, maybe it's going this way. Hold on a second. I think this is 1. This is 4, 9, and 16. 1, 4, 9, 16. I think that's how it is. What is the total shaded in red? Okay, so if the white one is 1, then do you see the heart right here is 4 minus 1, which is 3, right? Then the one on the outside, that's 16. 16 minus 9 is going to give you 5. So what's 5 plus 3? 8. I think that's what it's asking you. 8 centimeters squared. Oh, Quinny, they have your name on there. Number 15. Okay, go ahead, read it. Read. Quentin has 4 squares.
The first one has a side length of 2 inches. The second one has a side length of 4 inches. And a vertex placed in the center.
Yeah.
Square.
Vertex just the corner.
The third one has a side length of 6 inches and a vertex placed in the center of the second square.
The last one has an eighth.
Side length of 8 inches. I'm showing it in the figure. What is the area of the figure?
Okay, so I think what they're saying is like, okay, this entire thing is a 2, right? This part right here is 4, but if you cover that part, half of 2 is 1, so the second one is 5. Do you see that? This one is 6, but then you have to remember this piece right here is going to be 2, so that entire side stop is 8. So then this one right here, it's saying this piece in blue is 8. So then this piece is half of 6, which is 3. So this entire side here is 11. So the first small square, square 1 is 2 times 2, which is 4. Square 2 is 5 times 5, which is 25. Square 3 is 8 times 8, which is 64. Square 4 is 11 times 11, which is 121. So what's 121? Plus 64, plus 25, plus 4. No. 121 plus 64 plus 25 plus 4.
Okay, so
How can you get 100 when the big square is 121?
5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1.
I don't know what you're talking about. Add it again.
What?
121, 64, 25, 4. Add.
Why? That's 14. Mom, it's 14.
That's not 14.
Yeah, it is.
Or wait, hold on a second. That's 9, 10. It is 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 214. Okay. 16, go, go. Actually, you know what? I think I'm good. I'm gonna stop right here. We'll finish number 16 next week. Okay, that concludes everything from the slide.